Storm Team 2 meteorologist Cameron Saliga with the Miami Valley's certified most accurate forecast.
I know for some, with the snow out there, it's going to be hard to get those dogs in, mainly those sledding dogs, the Malamutes, the Siberian Huskies, I can't remember how to say it, but Samoyeds, or it's pretty close to that. But those dogs love the snow. Going to be hard to get them in from outside here tonight. But outside right now, the Jeff Schmidt Auto Group camera, you can see that the snow is on the ground there. We are continuing to see some heavy snow push through here as we get into the evening hours, a little bit lighter there in Beaver Creek over US 35. Going into the 10 o'clock hour. And looking at wind gusts here through the overnight hours will increase as we go through the morning time as that low pressure gets closer and closer, all the way up to about 30 miles per hour later in the nighttime. And we'll see those wind gusts continue to be right around 30 miles per hour as we go through the daytime. So in addition to the temperatures in the mid-20s tomorrow and the snowfall that we'll see mainly in the morning hours, it is going to feel much colder than those temperatures through the daytime. As we go through the morning, we'll see wind chill values in the single digits, right around 6 in Dayton, 8 Wilmington, 9 Lima. So probably not the most fun work commute here tomorrow, and we'll see those wind chills not really get too much warmer as we go through the afternoon, getting up to about 13, 14, 15 degrees. But those temperatures will be in the mid-20s. We'll see the chance of snow mainly in the morning hours. Temperatures really not changing too much from the low and high. We're going to start off in the lower 20s and end up in the mid-20s. 25 degrees with the chance of snow starting to taper off as we go through the afternoon hours. And right now we are seeing our heaviest snow down to the south. You can see here at the station we are seeing some heavy snow just to the south of Dayton, Middletown, picking up some good snowfall here at this hour. Eaton, Wilmington, Xenia, places, Greenville seeing a little bit lighter snow than down south, but they still are seeing some snow here. Sydney staying dry at this hour. Now as we zoom on out, low pressure just off to the west, and this is really putting every kind of weather into the atmosphere. We have tornado watches, tornado warnings down to the south. We have snow here in the Miami Valley, and we have ice down into parts of Kentucky. So really just pulling all the weather here as we end the weekend. Future track going through the rest of the nighttime. You could see more heavy snow on the way here as we go through the morning hours. That will continue as we get into sunlight, and then we start to see the chances taper off as we get into the middle of the day there. Still seeing a potential for some heavy snow in the morning hours, additionally about 1 to 2 inches more when that sun comes up. So the work commute still going to be impacted, so give yourself extra time on the roadways and to brush that car off. Now as we go through the afternoon, that's when we start to dry on out. We'll still see those clouds as we head into the evening hours. Snow forecast here through the overnight hours, and as we get into Monday, still thinking the same thing as we look at the northern counties. 1 to 4 inches, Greenville, Troy, Urbana, just north of Springfield, 4 to 7, and here in Dayton and south, right around 6 to 10 inches. We already have 4 inches in places like Centerville, Miamisburg, so they're most likely going to be getting to that 6-inch mark here pretty shortly. Looking at tonight, dropping down to 20 degrees. We'll have heavy snow continuing with wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Then through the daytime tomorrow, 25 degrees. We'll start to dry out in the afternoon. 7-day forecast, temps in the single digits for overnight lows and 19 for the high there on Thursday. We are tracking another chance of snow as we head into Friday.